everybody, thanks so much for joining me today on Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I'm going to share with you a tutorial for doing a double reverse decoupage on this clear glass tiered stand. Now I'm doing this in an Easter theme. I've got this gorgeous carrot fabric. Look how cute this is. I'm doing double decoupage, 2 layers of that fabric, one so that you see it through the glass and one so that you see it underneath the glass too. This is a super simple technique. I'm using 2 formulas today, the dishwasher safe Mod Podge and the fabric Mod Podge. So cute for adding all your cute little Easter and spring decor. You can even add little treats and do it as a dessert buffet or a little snack tray. All right, let's dive right into this technique.
I purchased this glass 3-tiered display at IKEA, but I have seen similar versions at all of the different box stores and certainly online as well. This is a double decoupage technique. Let's dive in. Okay, I'm using some fabric. Dishwasher safe Mod Podge will be our first formula, and here is our 3 glass plates. We're going to trim our fabric to fit just slightly larger than our plate. This is a curved surface, so you need to be able to make sure that your fabric can go around all the edges. I'm balancing that on a tin can upside down. This is the back side of the plate, and I'm cleaning it with rubbing alcohol. First, I'm going to use Mod Podge Dishwasher Safe. I'm not putting this in the dishwasher, but it will make it extremely durable. I'm putting a nice thin coat over the entire thing and making sure that I really get those edges. Then I'm going to put my fabric with the print side down. That way it's going to show through the plate and it'll be a really beautiful finish on the top. And I'm smoothing with my fingers to really make sure that is gluing down. Make sure you press out any air bubbles, really rub it and make sure you don't have any wrinkles, and definitely press the edges. Then I'm going to seal that with 1 thin top coat of the Mod Podge Dishwasher Safe. I'm going to let that dry for a couple of hours before I move on to the next step. Now it's been drying and you can see how beautiful that looks, but now we need to do the back side. And for that, I'm going to use fabric Mod Podge to glue fabric to the fabric backside. So I'm going to trim another piece of that fabric. I'm doing the same print, but you could do a different print if you wanted to. First, I'm cutting off the excess from the first layer that went down. And then we're going to Mod Podge with the fabric formula, the fabric to the backside. This will be so that when you are looking at your plate display, you're going to have the print on both sides. Go ahead and smooth it down with your fingers, really making sure that that's glued down. And you're gonna wait and let that dry again. This dries a little faster, probably after about an hour. You'll be good to go ahead and cut off the edges also. So just trim that up. And then go in and just do some detail trimming to make sure you get a really nice smooth edge. Now I'm going to seal this down with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Again, I'm not planning on putting this in the dishwasher, but this is going to make it very durable. And since it is glass on the top, you can certainly put cookies or cupcakes or things like that on there. Going to go ahead and poke that hole. I'm using my scissors. You could use a toothpick or a screwdriver, and that's going to be the hole where we feed the stems through there when we're going to put this all together. All right, for that edge, you could leave the edge how it is, or you can add some trim. You could do a vintage look with some pom-pom trim. I'm just gluing a little trim on there to make a finished look. And then I'm screwing the whole 3-plate tray, tiered tray, I should say, back together. And look at how cool this turns out. You can see that gorgeous print coming through on the glass, and you see it underneath. Load that up with treats or whatever your favorite display is. So fun. Double decoupage.
Thanks so much for joining me today. Now this same concept can be done just on a plain glass plate or even a glass bowl. It's really cool when you want to get that double look. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you, and until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.